Hello everyone, this is Priyadashni working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to delve into the topic IEEE 802.15.4 and Zigbee. So we all know this IEEE 802.15.4 and Zigbee are the communication technologies used in IoT systems. So these communication technologies mainly used because they are low power, low cost, they can be used in shorter ranges and it is highly reliable. So these communication technologies are much used in the use cases like the home automation systems or even in industrial revolution systems and sensor networks. So today I'm going to walk you through the topic IEEE 802.15.4 and Zigbee. I'm going to cover how this Zigbee sits on the top of IEEE 802.15.4 and their characteristics, use cases with some advantages and disadvantages. So when we speak about what is IEEE 802.15.4, so this IEEE 802.15.4 forms a foundation standard for LRWPANs. So what is LR? We know it is low rate wireless personal area networks. So this IEEE 802.15.4 defines the physical layer as well as the MAC layer for the appliances like Zigbee networks. So when we talk about this, the global frequency band, that is this IEEE 802.15.4 forms or it operates under the band 868 to 915 megahertz. So both in America and North American region as well as in European region, the operating frequency is under 868 and 915 megahertz. Whereas in other localities or in other regions, it works in 2.4 GHz ISM band. This 2.4 is nothing but it is free to use. This medical band is used, it is accepted and used widely in all regions. So when we are going to operate in this frequency, we need not get any information from anyone else, or we need not have any acceptance from anyone. We can use, it is free to use anywhere. The data rate, when we talk about the data rate of IEEE 802.15.4, it supports from 20 kbps to 250 kbps. The next one is this forms the main important foundation source for other Zigbee, other networks like Zigbee alliances is because it is not only designed for low rate wireless personal area networks, but it is also very cost efficient and can be used in low power wireless communication networks. So this forms the basis of many technologies, mainly Zigbee. So when we see about the four layers, the lower layers, physical layers and MAC layers are defined by IEEE 802.15.4. Whereas the application layer and the other layer, the network layer, is taken care by Zigbee Alliance. So now let's see what is Zigbee. So as we have seen in the previously itself, Zigbee stands on the top of the application layer, that is it supports the application layer and the network layer, whereas the base layers, that is the physical and the MAC layer, is given the foundation by IEEE 802.15.4 standard. So this Zigbee, it provides the functionality by adding critical network layer, security layer and its application layer. So together it forms a comprehensive protocol stack. So this Zigbee is mainly designed for secure, low power and low data rate mesh net, mainly for mesh networking. So mesh networking, we all know that here in mesh networking, all the routers, all the coordinators and the end devices will be in communication. So the Zigbee supports mainly diverse network technologies, as we all know what is star topology, tree and mesh. But mainly we'll be seeing about Zigbee mesh networking technology is taken place in the Zigbee network. So when we speak about Zigbee, there are main three important informations need to be known. So the first one is about Zigbee coordinator. So Zigbee coordinator is responsible for assigning nodes to all the other nodes, that is end devices that is connected to the network. When we speak about Zigbee router, so Zigbee router it is the main information node. So it tackles all the informations from the Zigbee coordinator and it passes down to the Zigbee end devices. So end devices are nothing but the communication nodes that is responsible for end-to-end communication. So these are all about the Zigbee network. So we have to keep in point that Zigbee forms the application layer, the security layer, and also it takes care about the networking layer. It contains three nodes, specifically Zigbee coordinator, which is ZC, Zigbee router, Zeta, and Zigbee end devices. Thank you.